Hello guys, welcome to All Around Health Talk. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and also put on your notification so that you can get notification for every time we post a video. Well, from today we're going to be making some videos. We're calling it the TIPS series. Yes, tips series. We're going to be giving you tips on how to improve your health. So they're going to be short videos with very useful tips to help you improve your health in general. So today we're starting with oral health, how to maintain a good oral hygiene, avoid mouth odor, calculus, plaques, and gum infections, right? So let's go straight to the tips. Number one, don't go to bed without brushing your teeth. You really need to pay attention to that because you've spent the whole day eating breakfast, lunch, snacks, and other things, and you don't want to go to bed with all those remnants of food in between your teeth or your gum. So you need to make sure that you brush your teeth before going to bed. Number two, don't just brush, but brush appropriately. Make sure you brush properly. Make sure you do gentle movements, circular movements. Take your time to brush. Don't rush through the process. Remember that you're trying to clean the germs, you're trying to clean the remnants of food. So you want to take your time and make sure you brush your teeth correctly. Now, number three, do not forget that you have a tongue. Yes, many a times we forget that we have a tongue, and so we brush and then we forget to touch the tongue. Remember that your tongue is also very important because plaques can also accumulate on your tongue, and this can lead to mouth odor. So you want to avoid that. So make sure you remember to brush your tongue gently, circular movements, and make sure that you bring out every plaque that is on that tongue. Number four, make sure that your toothpaste contains fluoride. Many people are much more worried about if the toothpaste has whitening properties or if it has a nice flavor. That really isn't important. The important thing is for it to contain fluoride, because fluoride is a defense mechanism to avoid decay of your teeth. So what does it do? It helps you destroy the germs that can cause your teeth to begin to decay. So make sure that when you're buying your next toothpaste, you check to see that it contains fluoride. Number five, make sure you begin to floss. Many people think that there is no need to floss because they brush their teeth on a regular basis, but flossing is also very good to stimulate your gums and also get to those tiny spaces where your toothbrush cannot get to, and help you remove every food remnants and every plaque that tries to accumulate there. So remember to floss, it's very important. Also, mouthwash. Make sure you incorporate mouthwash into your oral hygiene. Mouthwash is also very important because apart from the fact that it gives you a fresh breath, it also helps to stimulate your gums, prevent inflammation of your gums, avoid accumulation of plaques. So it also helps you get to those places where your toothbrush cannot get to. So that's the reason why you need to use your mouthwash. Any type is actually good. Just make sure you use a mouthwash. Also, avoid using toothpick. Toothpicks are very sharp and they can hurt your gums, and so when your gum has an injury, there is much more risk of you having an infection from all the food and all the acidic and sugary content that goes into your mouth. So pay attention to that. Avoid toothpicks. Use a floss instead. Also, make sure you drink water. We've heard that water is very good for the health. Well, it's also good for your mouth because that also helps to keep things fresh within the oral cavity, and also helps us to flush out some plaques that might be hiding here and there. So drink water. What else should we do? Well, we want to make sure that we reduce our sugar content. Sugar is converted into acid in the mouth, and this can cause mouth odor and tooth decay. So you want to make sure that you reduce the content of sugary things that you consume. Also, coffee. Things like that can cause discoloration of your teeth. So make sure that you reduce the intake of coffee. Those who smoke, well, all of that can cause discoloration, and all that affects your health, your oral health in general. So Basically, these are the things you need to do. Remember that at least you should brush your teeth twice a day. Normally, you're recommended to brush your teeth after every meal. But if you cannot do that for some reason, then at least try to brush twice a day. And if you have lunch or breakfast and you're in a place where you do not have access to use the bathroom to brush your teeth, then make sure you floss. Okay, so these are the tips we have for you today. In the next video, we're going to be giving you more tips to improve your health. Remember to like this video, share this video, leave a comment or a question, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. Also follow us on Instagram at All Round Health Talk. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye.